Hi, I'm Alex from Stream, and today I'm going to show you how to use a reveal fitted window roller screen. In our example, we've set our screen quite far forward in the reveal. This is because our window has a couple of openers and the handles on these protrude past the framework. So setting the screen forward in the reveal allows you to open each window independently. The framework of the screen itself is made from a powder coated aluminium, and the mesh is contained in this cassette at the top and is attached to the handlebar that you pull down. To either side of the screen, we have a guide that runs down the side walls. The mesh runs within this, and the pile creates a seal to the side walls. At the bottom of the guide, there's an internal clip, and when you pull the screen down, this will hold it closed. So to use my screen, I simply open my window and then pull the screen down, either by using the toggle, which is particularly useful if you have a very high window, or by using the handles to either side. I simply pull the screen down between the guides, and then once at the bottom, tilt the handlebar forward to hold it under the clips. As you can see, the pile on the bottom of the handlebar is now creating a seal against the windowsill. To open the screen, I simply do everything in reverse, tilt the handlebar back and allow it to roll back into the cassette at the top. I hope you found this video helpful. There is plenty more information on the product page of the website, but if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.